Rain, rain, don't come today. Little ones want to run and play. We like puddles, that is true, but now we'd like to see the sky so blue. Clouds above go dark and low. Drip drop sounds begin to grow. Pitter patter on the ground. Splashy drops all around. Rain helps flowers bloom so bright, feeds the trees and makes things right. It fills the rivers, lakes, and seas, and helps to water all the trees. But rain, rain, let's make a deal. Come at night, that's your appeal. Let us laugh and dance in sun when your job is gently done. Tiny droplets in the sky come from clouds that float up high. Evaporation starts the show, water up then below. Rain, rain, we're glad you care, but now we want dry clothes to wear. Come again some other day, we'll splash in boots and jump and play.